This is hands down gotta be the creepiest building I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. What's up, beautiful people? I am here in Miami, Florida right now with Reesie, the coolest of the cats. And we got up at 3:30 today to catch our flight in the morning, not p.m., in the morning, 3:30 a.m. And got to the beach, and it is glorious, but we're a little ill-prepared, just wearing like jeans right now, which is crazy, but it's pretty incredible. I'm not gonna lie. This is one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever been to, I'll tell you that much. It's pretty awesome. You liking it, kiddo? We're gonna bring bathing suits next time.
The sand reminds me of like the Trader Joe's seasoning, like the everything seasoning.
Everything but the bagel.
I don't know why.
I'm gonna put some of this on the bagels later. Bring it back to the hotel. So thus far we've gone to Wynwood and seen all the wall art on the walls, which is pretty rad, all the murals here. And had Panther coffee, some delicious ice cream.
It was really good.
So good. Gotten some delicious tacos and gone to South Beach, which was beautiful.
Beautiful.
And this is why I like to travel with Reese, because we basically just go and do all the things and see all the things and have all the fun, and it's awesome. So we're going to go to Little Havana now, which is sort of like the Cuban capital of America, from what we've heard. And so they said that it's got a really cool park where like people just go and play dominoes out in the open, which is pretty cool. So we're going to head there right now and just enjoy the day a little bit more. So, like hanging with you, girlie. Thanks. Go. No. Closed. The heck. They said this park is like where everybody comes to just play dominoes. Like they just show up, play dominoes, and talk about life and politics and all kinds of stuff like that. It reminds me of like the chess parks in like Russia or whatever, but it's dominoes. They're closed. I was like gonna come check it out and see this amazing cultural phenomenon. I'm a little bummed about that. It's okay. Well, good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning, and I am here in Florida getting ready to go lead worship at a buddy's church, and I'm really excited about it. I'm surprised I'm not exhausted because of multiple reasons. Number one, 2 nights ago before we came here, we had a 5:30 a.m. flight, so we had to get up at 3:30, and I went to bed at 1:30 because I had to edit a video. So that was crazy. So I was running on 2 hours of sleep yesterday. Reese was extremely tired all day. She kept sleeping in the car, which it's fine. We had a lot of fun, but then it's also daylight savings, so we lost an hour. It was spring forward. So it's an hour time change. We lost an hour for spring forward, and I'm on 2 hours of sleep. But last night I slept so well because check this out. I'm going to show you guys the room I'm working with here. Not only do I have my own personal air conditioning unit for my room, which I set to 60 degrees, which is amazing, and that's the reason that I love to travel, because I can set the air conditioning really low and sleep in the cold. But I've also got a ceiling fan here and a box unit, and I straight up had all 3 of them going last night, and I slept amazing. So I'm ready to go lead worship this morning. I feel so grateful and so blessed to be able to do this, and so grateful to be able to be here with Reese here in the Florida area. So it's gonna be a good day. All right, guys, we just finished up church and it was incredible. And now I think we're gonna head to grab some lunch. There's this new place. They have a really cool lighthouse here. I'm guessing probably all over Florida, but particularly where we are, I think we're gonna probably go check out the lighthouse, get some lunch, maybe change clothings or something like that.
Yeah.
I'll probably keep what I've got. You look mega cute though in that dress. I kind of like it a lot.
Yeah, but it's kind of windy outside.
It is a little windy, so maybe you should wear like long pants under the dress. No, with shorts because it's tanning weather here.
It is.
We're both like 3 shades darker than we were yesterday.
I'm a little burnt.
I got a little bit red, but I think it's kind of fading a little bit.
It faded overnight a lot.
It's awesome. You've got my Native American blood in you, so it goes from red to tan pretty quick. Yeah, for sure. So let's go. We're gonna go change. Well, she's gonna go change, and then we're gonna go to a lighthouse, because I'm sort of quasi-obsessed with lighthouses, actually. I love them very, very much. So.
Do you like Robert Pattinson?
I do. That movie is crazy. Have you guys seen The Lighthouse? That's a crazy bonkers movie.
I haven't seen it.
It's nuts. You'd feel like you were on drugs if you watched it. Because I did, and I'm not on drugs. Let's go! So cool. So we're here at the Jupiter Lighthouse, and it looks amazing as expected and hoped for, but there's a little bit of a line to wait, so we're just kind of hanging out here. There's this just massive like tree. I think it's a ficus tree, but unbelievable just like how it's all grown together and all the different ways, and super cool. So you having fun? Me too. What a coincidence. Dude. Ready to climb some stairs? It's gonna be awesome. Yes, this will be leg day for us. I was like, man, I don't have a gym today. Like, what am I gonna do? There's our workout. Reese keeps looking at all these outbuildings and thinking we're like in a set of Lost or something like that.
It looks like it.
We keep waiting for Benjamin Linus to jump out and be like, ha! Sawyer. Hey there, Buttercup. Hey there, Freckles. He has a nickname for everybody. Somebody's probably Buttercup in the show, let's just be honest. What? There we go. So cool. So many. 3 hours later. There we go.
Hello.
Hello.
Just watch your head and shoulders on these things.
Thank you.
And duck down going through here.
Alrighty.
So you take nice pictures. But you don't forget to walk.
Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, it feels good up here. My gosh, look at that view. So cool. They raised this bridge up so that boats can come through, which is pretty rad. Oh, hello there. And there is the lens. Really rad refractor of light. Such a cool device, man. I want to go up into the actual light. That would be so fun.
Oh, I need to realize you can see the light.
It's so right. I couldn't, because you don't see it whenever you're coming in, you know? You just walk right by it and you don't even realize that's the actual light. I know, right? Try not to die. Well, this is kind of the scary part, I think. We're gonna have to walk back down all these stairs. 105 steps down. Hey, you're going a lot faster than you think you are.
I have lots of dreams, Ryan, in this situation.
You have lots of dreams of walking downstairs in a lighthouse?
Like in those moments, and then you like fall and you can't.
Oh yeah, that's the worst. Guys, we survived the climb. We are still alive, barely.
I was so scared going down that. I was trying not to show it. I was like,
You were moving a lot faster than you thought you were, though.
okay, that's good.
So
well,
it
at
worked.
first it was really slow. You didn't see that. I
Yeah.
was really scared.
Yeah, you're right. I was taking pictures. Guys, I straight up got in a black car. Our rental car is a black car. And I got into this black car and I sat in the passenger seat and I thought that Reese was in the car waiting for me. And I looked over and I was like, she's not in here. And it smells like weed. What the heck is this? And I realized I got in someone else's car. And that was weird. So then I went to the real car and that was better.
No, it was the right car. I just lit it.
So we're here at the beach. We're gonna do Juno Beach today. There's a really cool pier here. I totally did not come prepared with actual swimming shorts. So we went to a store and I found some that were $15, and I'm not gonna lie, they're the shortest things I've ever worn in my life, and I feel very uncomfortable. But at least my legs are gonna get tan today. What do you think of that, guys? Did I just blind you? Did I just blind you with my crazy white legs? Probably. That's okay. Probably. It's just like so beautiful today. Unbelievable beautiful. Look at how gorgeous that water is. It's like a blue gradient into green. It's incredible. Alright guys, we are headed back home. Headed to the airport right now. Grabbing some gas. Gonna return the rental car. Rubbing some gas. Had some avocado toast for breakfast, which was a delightful experience. Maine Coffee in Boca Raton, that's a good place if you're in the area. And I've had a lot of fun hanging with you, kiddo.
Thanks for bringing me.
It's been nice. It's been
really
nice.
fun.
So we're gonna go home, and you know, there's a lot of kids there waiting for us. We're excited about that. But love you guys. Can't wait to see you next time. It's gonna be a fun time. I'm doing a water fast, which is gonna be awesome. / not, but I'm doing it for 3 days and then kind of building back up. Craig, my trainer / nutritionist, was like, your body needs a break, you've been going really hard for 90 days, we're going to do a reset, you're going to do a water fast for 3 days, and then we're going to go again, we're going to go hard. So I'm like, okay, let's go. So should be an interesting week. If you don't hear from me, that's why. But I'm going to try to, it's a very loud truck, I'm going to try to kind of document each day as I do this thing. So stay tuned for that video, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back